severe thunderstorm warning for central Blair County in central Pennsylvania. 1:45 p.m. At 6:56 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Altoona and moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. This severe thunderstorm will be near Canoe Creek State Park around 7 p.m., Bellwood and Sinking Valley around 7:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Lakemont, Park and Island Water Park, and Peoples Natural Gas Field. This includes Interstate 99 between miles 28 and 41.
Second EAS!
Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds and destructive hail. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following county: Blair County, Pennsylvania. The National